Hey guys, here I am on the couch with the dog, hanging out. I'm gonna take a little nap. Kind of burnt out. Had a long week. Sorry. Hi Mom. I know you're watching. Long week. I might even have a day off in a day or two. So yeah, that's exciting. I just went through my albums to see if I had anything to delete. I just found a pocket video for 2 hours long, and I finally deleted it, so I'll have a little bit more space on my phone. So that's good. Good news. Sorry. I wanted to make it so that, you know, I keep it every other day. So here I am, napping, but I did it, so yay. Progress on my, what is it called? My Superfood Me blog. The whole Garrison therapy. I'm really nervous to start it. You know how, like, you know you gotta start it, but it's like hard to know that you have such a long journey ahead of you and you're gonna be so hungry and there's gonna be, you know, it's like you never know when to start anything. So I got the books. I have to order. It's weird, but part of the Garrison therapy is coffee enemas. So I'll be ordering that next. I got my juicer. Sorry, I'm gonna try to move past that. Anyways, yeah, you're gonna love that when I come back and tell you how that goes. I ordered that, so that should be exciting. So hopefully I'll have a date pretty soon on when I want to do that. Yeah, what else? Hung out with Julian. He came back from Miami. It was pretty good. We had a really good talk. We're gonna be good friends, you know. It's okay. Everything's okay. So, yep. Maybe I'll go into depth about that a little later, but we'll see. What else? Because it's gonna be a pretty boring little video. Just watch me nap. I think I'll put Always Sunny in Philadelphia on. Take a little nap. Maybe work on my blog a little bit. Maybe I don't know. I don't want to be too ambitious. I'm real tired. I like woke up late today. And that's not good because I was like an hour late. But no one, you know, saw, but still not great. I haven't been getting that great of sleep lately, so that's another thing I'm gonna need to work on. Getting better sleep, getting all that water. Water is really hard. I never, like, can hold it down. I just, like, gotta go all the time, so I'm just like, maybe I'll just not drink water at all. Jesus. Sorry. Man. Yeah, I think that's it, but I'll get back to you if I'm mistaken. Okay, bye guys.